In this video, you can learn how to delete website domain in Godaddy. So let's start the video tutorial. Once we log into Godaddy hosting account, we need to go to the My Products page. And in this page, we need to scroll down to the web hosting section and click Manage button. Next in this page, we need to click cPanel Admin button, which will bring us to the cPanel Settings page. Next in this page, we need to click and enter the domain section. In this page, all the website domains set up in Godaddy can be found. I will be deleting this domain, so we will need to click the Manage button in the same row as the website domain. And in this page, we need to click the Remove Domain button. Again, confirm clicking this button, as deleting website domain will erase all content permanently. And done. The website domain has been deleted from Godaddy account. That's it for this video. Like, comment, share the video, and subscribe for more video updates.